je disais que je suis contente. Bon, j'avance un petit peu dans le maquillage parce que j'aime pas trop quand les vidéos prennent 10 ans. Donc, j'ai appliqué avant mon fond de teint une base. Bon, pour l'instant, je ne montre pas de marque parce que j'ai pas encore de partenariat. Donc, c'est une base verte que j'utilise. Donc, ça matifie mon teint. Bien avant, je mets d'abord une crème hydratante. Ensuite, je mets la base. Et ça fixe mon fond de teint. Une fois que j'ai mis mon fond de teint, j'ai appliqué pour mes sourcils ici. J'ai appliqué avec un pinceau qui est fin. La petite couleur marron, je ne sais pas si on voit bien. Donc c'est un marron brique que j'utilise pour dessiner mes sourcils. Parce que j'en ai pas beaucoup. Ensuite, pour mes paupières. Donc avant, j'ai utilisé une base de la même teinte que ma carnation. Ou si vous avez un peu plus clair, mais pas trop. Hein. Je l'ai appliqué avec ce pinceau, avec cette éponge. Donc on peut aussi l'appliquer avec un pinceau, mais moi je préfère avec l'éponge. J'ai aussi utilisé deux couleurs. Donc je sais pas si on voit bien. Donc cette couleur-ci et celle-là. Donc j'ai d'abord mis la base verte et ensuite j'ai appliqué le bleu clair. Donc je vais finaliser tout ça en musique. Mon petit eyeliner que je vais appliquer maintenant. Take off from the runway, yeah, we always high. I might cut that spaceship just to feel the drive. I might hit Rodeo so they see me fly. Summer riding in Cali, now they see me shine. Take her home and bust so she come see me twice. She come see me twice, yeah, she really nice. When she climb on top, shawty do it right. We just keep on fucking, no discussion. I be drumming on that booty like I play percussion. Never trust a bad bitch, cause they up to something. Always wanna check, but I came from nothing, came from nothing, came from nothing. Come back, now I'm doing fine. But I ain't fuck with you for a long time. Why you blowing my line? Tell me that I'm always on your mind. Come back, now I'm doing fine. But I ain't fuck with you for a long time. Why you blowing my line? Tell me that I'm always on your mind. It's been a minute since we shared a drink or two. Now I got everything to lose. You're trying to shoot your shot, no bullets got. Now I'ma left for you to hold me ransom. Your brain amazing, but Torin's a mad thing. Yeah, and that's good chat, but Rema stay with the funds that try to use the brain power on me and end up with a weight pushbacks. Now they check me for the funds, but when they check I bounce on the run, I'm the run. My city niggas when they want it, shit gets done. Une fois que j'ai appliqué mon eyeliner, que je retravaille, voilà. Donc faites au mieux pour qu'il soit droit parce que ça se voit en fait qu'il n'est pas trop droit. Voilà. Une fois que j'ai appliqué mon eyeliner, je vais passer aux fossiles. L'étape la plus cruciale du maquillage, les fossiles. Moi, j'utilise
une pince à épiler pour pouvoir appliquer mon fossile parce que j'ai du mal avec mes doigts. Donc chacun sa technique. Et je préfère la colle blanche qu'à la colle noire. Pourquoi? Parce que si je dépasse mon trait d'eyeliner, j'aurai pas une grosse trace noire sur ce que j'ai déjà appliqué comme couleur. C'est parti.
This is another DJ Timos exclusive.
I'm a pro. He ain't gotta know that you like your pussy ate from the back and you like your ass smacked. And he ain't gotta know you a freak in the sheets and you love it when I'm deep. You be busting on me. He ain't gotta know I be grinding in the sheets. I be busting on these beats till you talk to me. He ain't gotta know all my thugs show me love and the girls give me hugs cause they fuck with me. He ain't gotta know I can keep it real street, but a nigga TLC cause he fuck with me. He ain't gotta know that I got you on your knees. You be looking right at me when you talk to me. He ain't gotta know you a dirty little slut and you like it in your butt. You a damn freak. She like the way I do it. Tell her bend it over, girl, let me come scrub. Let me eat you from the back, girl, you know I do it. I'm a freak in the sheets, girl, you know I'm flowing. I do it from the back, yeah, I do it from the side. I do it how you like, girl, I do it all night. Would you hop on this dick? Yeah, gon' take a ride like a roller coaster, baby. You can bump, you can grind. You a freak in the sheets and you like to get hit. I'ma hit you real good, make you swallow and spit. Look you in your eyes, damn girl, you having a fit. The way I'm looking at the pussy and I'm spinning my tips. Tell her come here, let me kiss them lips. I'm a freak in the sheets, I'm a G in the streets, but your nigga can't know about me. What? Yeah, know about me.
Une fois que j'ai mis mes fossiles, j'attends un peu que ça sèche parce que sinon c'est la catastrophe. Et après, je vais les recourber avec mon recoupe sourcil. Vous inquiétez pas, ça fait pas mal. Donc avant de les recourber, je vais m'attaquer à la partie du bas. Donc j'utilise mon même pinceau que je nettoie avec un mouchoir parce que c'est de la poudre, ça part vite. C'est ma technique, bien entendu. Ensuite, je vais utiliser la même teinte, donc le vert clair là, et un petit peu de bleu. Et c'est parti.
Hey. Yeah.
Show me what you can do. Run on the track.
Shawty be wearing that. Shawty be wearing that. Shawty be wearing that. Shawty be wearing that. Shawty be wearing that lipstick. Yeah. She a boss bitch, got her own shit, and she don't need a man, but that's my chick. Homie, that's my bitch. If you had to wanna know what to do with her, that's my bitch. If you had to wanna know how to handle her, that's my bitch. And she roll that thing like wow. And she roll that thing like wow. Oh my I stay winning. So I've been fucking with this since the beginning. And they know how to treat that pussy. I'ma eat that pussy. I'ma beat that pussy. Even if it's black, white, Filipino, or Asian, the speed ain't the only damn thing that I be slaving. I'm slaving and jack me, I'm foul with this shit. My main one got ass on down for the bitch. So even if you want to snatch, you can't handle that.
Une fois que j'ai terminé, je vais appliquer au ras de mon œil une poudre noire, fard à paupières noir, avec mon petit pinceau tout fin ici. Donc moi je suis habituée, mais ceux qui ont peur de se mettre le pinceau dans l'œil, vous pouvez tirer. Et moi j'ai l'habitude, donc je le fais vraiment avec précaution. Donc à ne pas faire si vous n'êtes pas habitué. Vous tirez la peau de votre visage vers le bas, comme ça, ça vous aidera à mieux appliquer.
We'll bring that back right now. If she don't fuck with legs like that, I'm a young flop Mac and I give her that like that. Try to be wearing that lipstick. Yeah. She a bounce bitch, got her own shit, and she don't need a man, but that's my chick, homie, that's my bitch. If you had her, would've known what to do with her, that's my bitch. If you had her, would've known that I had her, that's my bitch. If she roll.
Ensuite, j'utilise un petit peu de mascara que je mets sous mes sourcils, sous mes cils, pardon. Donc les cils du bas. Ça donne un petit côté pin-up. Donc je vais prendre mon recoupe sourcil maintenant pour redresser Pourquoi je suis après mes sourcils aujourd'hui? Cils. On recoupe cils. Je vais bien pincer. Et pour terminer, je vais mettre une petite touche de mascara.
Looking at me while I'm with my chick, but if your girl is over here looking at me, I tell her hop in the whip. I be rolling, you know it. Shorty, where's you going? Put your body in motion. I wanna see what you're showing. Girl, I seen you from the front door. Yeah, I know he said he wants you, but I want it more. That nigga can't handle you. Girl, he ain't amateur. Baby, I'm a damager. I got all the stamina, and I got it all right here on camera. Shorty so hot, damn, I'ma stop fanning her. Wait, let's take it to the east side. Two-door Lambo, how we ride, we fly. Nobody can beat.
Accident. Non, je rigole. Alors, je vais faire maintenant, qu'on appelle ça, devinette. Bon, j'arrête. Donc là, je vais faire mon contour de nez. Donc, comme vous pouvez le voir, j'ai eu un accident. Donc, il ne faut pas avoir de panique. Il faut laisser sécher. Comme ça arrive tout le temps. Hein. Même nous qui nous maquillons tout le temps, on a toujours des accidents qui nous arrivent. Excusez-moi, je retire un petit peu de truc gênant. Donc, je vous disais, si vous avez un petit problème comme cela, vous laissez sécher. Vous ne vous en occupez pas et vous reviendrez dessus pour l'enlever. Donc, je vais faire mon petit contouring au niveau du nez. Donc, pour ça, moi, j'utilise ma palette blush, la couleur marron, avec Mon pinceau préféré, dos plat, pour bien appliquer. Ma poudre blush.
Nah, and if that nigga really want you, tell him we can try. Yeah, she a boss bitch, got her own shit, and she don't need a man, but that's my chick, homie, that's my bitch. If you had to wanna know what to do with her, that's my bitch. If you had to wanna know how to handle her, that's my bitch. And she roll that thing like why? And she roll that thing like why?
Maintenant, je vais m'attaquer au highlight avec mon petit pinceau en éventail que je vais mettre sur mon nez, sur le menton pour apporter de la lumière au niveau de la zone cupidon et sur le haut de mes pommettes.
You wanna meet me in the back room, girl, you know what it is. Shorty in my head, I think like her, yeah, I think like her. I'm about to go in, yeah. Shorty, come on, we get up in the weekend.
Bread on me looking like a Big Mac. I ain't talking burger patties when I flip stacks. Chocolate shawty get a break like a Kit Kat. My ex in my phone cause she missed that. What you wanna do? You know what I wanna do. Give me all your time, you know I know what to do. Showtime, baby, anything is possible. Don't be shy, come up out the dressing room. I don't bank and chase cause the bank chase me. I'ma need two, fuck it, you can give me three. No plan B, baby, we gon' keep it clean. The way we do this shit, maybe we should let it see. I know.
Girl, you know what it is. Shorty in my head, I think like her, yeah, I think like her. I'm about to go in, yeah.
Une fois que j'ai fait tout ça, je vais m'attaquer à ma bouche. Je laisse sécher. Donc j'utilise une base pour mes lèvres. Parce que j'applique pas directement la matière sur ma bouche. Pareil, c'est ma technique. Je le sèche un peu. Et je vais choisir la couleur que j'ai envie de mettre. Donc pour aujourd'hui, ce sera du rouge. Je cherche ma palette. C'est parti.
Like it's a price you gotta pay if you wanna be my babe. Fucking with me, baby, now I ain't no cheap dates. I can raise the price, but my checks ain't talking nights in the field like a slave. But them niggas say I'm tight. Hit it sick for these chips, gotta have blue strips. Gotta be a figure if you wanna step to this. Like, yeah, I hear you talking, but no money, please dismiss. Her nigga want me back up on the phone, she has to dip. He get pricey, make these bitches wanna fight me. She wanna meet me outside, shit, I'm always with the high fee. Rich shitty, baby, he that money, he excite me. Have you like cool, now he saying that he like me. Wanna do it anywhere, asking can you pipe me? Tell him like, that's highly unlikely. Moving mean like I got evicted from the crib. Bitches silent up in person, but I'm not
You wanna meet me in the back room, girl, you know what it is. Shorty in my head, I think like her, yeah, I think like her. I'm about to go in, yeah. You wanna meet me in the back room, in the back room.
Ensuite, quand j'ai terminé, j'aime bien, pour que ça se voit plus, j'utilise un rouge à lèvres rouge que je repasse par-dessus.
Yeah, yeah. She hear my name on the radio, she see my face on the TV, and she wanna be famous. I can put you on the team. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. See, I can put you on the team. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, I can put you on the team.
Been fucking with some funny hoes, chicken-headed bitches, looking for an antidote. Baby girl, just looking for a good show. I need a bottom bitch for the next episode. Then I'm finna give away like the last hoe. I have fun while it lasts though, but I always have fun with the cash flow. So I'm back, way back to an ass. So a top shelf bottle, do you mind if I swig that? Did your friend single? Cause I blew her a kiss back. She deserved good game, I'm finna pitch that. Fucking with her heart, she got paid and split that. Stuck around, and I got a raise. I'll flash a band in your face. Don't tell me what I need, fam. Every couple weeks I make at least 3 bands. At least 3 bands.
She hear my name on the radio, she see my face on the TV, and she wanna be famous. I can put you on the team.
Alors, vous en pensez quoi? Donc, comme vous avez dû le voir, j'ai fait exprès, j'ai laissé mon petit mascara qui avait coulé sur mon visage. Donc, comme vous avez dû remarquer, j'ai pris ma petite éponge, j'avais déjà un peu de fond de teint, donc j'ai effacé. Bien entendu, il faut laisser sécher. Pareil, quand vous avez des dépassements à la bouche, pas de panique, vous enlevez, vous essuyez avec votre éponge. Bien entendu, vous la renettoyez pour que vous n'ayez pas trop de bouche partout. Et le tour est joué. Ensuite, pour terminer mon make-up, je vais utiliser mon petit blush. Et après, je vais mettre une poudre. Donc, soit vous mettez le blush avant ou vous mettez après. Donc, moi, j'utilise une poudre, une poudre fixatrice pour que ça puisse tenir mon maquillage toute la journée. Et à la fin, j'utilise un spray. Et voilà, c'est parti de nouveau.
I'ma make that decision. I wanna see that ass naked. Front page, I can make that ass famous. Big bank, take real bank, no issue. Late nights ain't the only time that I miss you. Drip game, you know with this shit, no tissue. Her lip game, is she gon' show me what this shit do? You don't pay no color, but you can be my cover girl. Sweet love thing, but a freaking undercovers girl. Hey, she said my song so wavy. Fuck her when I swear you gonna have my baby. Only took a phone call for you to notice me. Famous over nice, so bitch, you better notice me. Hey, ain't no telling when it's gonna be. Kissing on my neck while she holding me. Hey, she hear my name on the radio. Hey, she see my face on the TV. Hey, and she wanna be famous. I can put you on the team. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. See, I can put you on the team. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. See, I can put you on the team.
I've been getting faded, I've been smoking on my own. All these phony bitches, they been calling on my phone. Call me when I'm up, just just leave me lonely in my zone. I don't need no friends, you ain't my homie, bitch, you know, yeah.
Bitch, how you callin'? Callin', bitch, how you callin'? Callin'. Don't call me bitch, nah, I'm the shit, eh. Don't call me bitch, nah, I'm the shit, eh. Growing on my queen like a Christmas tree. Fucking pussy in the north, pussy in the east. Bad boys, since we young, hitters on the run. Imperial countries, companies, live heavy like a beast. I need a Rari, I need a money back. Bad bitches in the back, lady track to check, check. I need a money back, I need a money back, I need a money back, I need a money back.
I've been smoking on my own. All these phony bitches, they been calling on my phone. Call me when I'm up, just leave me lonely in my zone. I don't need no friends, you ain't my homie, bitch, you know, yeah.
Bitch, how you callin'? Callin', bitch, how you callin'? Callin'. Don't call me bitch, nah, I'm the shit, eh. Don't call me bitch, nah, I'm the shit, eh.
Rolling that OG, it keep controlling me. Hot like bling, they tryna get a hold of me. When I hit that shit, she can't get over me. When I shoot my shot, they finna know about me. Now they wanna know about me. Turning all they backs on me. No, you can't get back to me. Talk about the future, girl, you gotta take your mask off. If you're really with it, gotta do it with no hands up. I've been getting faded, I've been smoking on my own. All these phony bitches, they been calling on my phone. Call me when I'm up, just leave me lonely in my zone. I don't need no friends, you ain't my homie, bitch, you know, yeah.
Bitch, how you callin'? Callin', bitch, how you callin'? Callin'. Don't call me bitch, nah, I'm the shit, eh. Don't call me bitch, nah, I'm the shit, bitch, how you callin'? Callin', bitch, how you callin'? Callin'.
Et voilà, donc ma partie make-up est terminée. Là, je vais me coiffer et je vais poster ma petite photo pour que vous puissiez voir le résultat au finish. Voilà. Merci à vous d'avoir pris le temps de regarder ma vidéo et on se dit à bientôt. See you later.